trust anybody to cross this. See, this guy's trying to go fast and go around. Jag off. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Save video.
For all Japanese nationals to own, sell, possess, or use flashback either in Japan or when traveling abroad, said Nick. If convicted of the offense, the only punishment a judge may impose under Japan.
Like you told him to.
Did you drop off the application at Ray's? Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Most intense part is going to be in southeast Wisconsin. So hopefully it moves so quickly that the most intensity is out over Lake Michigan and not out over
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
We're the buttresses of some abandoned Gothic cathedral, and he was the hunchback up here with the gargoyles. Charles Lawton, maybe. Val's love of old movies was...
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
From his old man, before the bastard abandoned him.
Save video.
The other...
Limited time, go to rapidradio.com and you'll get 60% off free UPS shipping. Add code radio and get an extra 5% off. Jay here saying, I have a gleaming, newly restored garage floor and it only took a single day. I couldn't be happier with the results.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. See all the traffic on Highway 16 headed east? Someone's even trying to turn around there. They're like, fuck this, I'm not going to work. Okay, Gar. Save video.
Gold standard because it will never stain, yellow, or show tire marks. This really is a gleaming permanent solution to your craft in a ugly garage or basement floor. And best of all, it can be done in a single day. This actually remove all the stuff on
Okay,
your garage.
Garmin. Save video.
And with that, you can move the wow factor back in the floor.
you'd say, wow, that's so cool.
I'm not that person. If someone came up to me and I went, "You just better fuck up," it's like, you're an asshole.
Wow, you were completely in the wrong. Freaking lanes.
Though, that's what my doctor threw in as I was leaving his office. Oh, and I'll lay off dairy. What the hell? What kind of blanket sweep is that? No more happiness.
You know they were going to do that?
Sales trophy and have a vacation. He's working too hard. He's making the other fruit guys feel bad, you know? Like the banana guy wakes up, man, I ain't into nothing. Cram man's all coupled up.
Hey, look, it's the freeway. Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted?
Yes.
The freeway?
Getting you straight.
Did they not have a stop sign? Or did he just go through it?
I go through it.
Of America, and she hates me.
Christ, mister. Fuck. That's not a cop. Oh, I'm telling.
Rich people only. He's like serious about this 25, isn't he?
He's more than serious about it. They're going like 10 miles an hour. It is okay to
I
pass.
think he's afraid to pass.
It is okay to pass. It is. You may pass. It's fine. It's okay. You're all right. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh my god.
Pick it up. Bye-bye. Jesus Christ.
Good with those exterior applications that you're not going to need to do anything on the inside.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. something to mix it in, and I'm going to need something to mix it with, and Jesus Christ.
But I think it's
Well, I just
correct.
did the calculation of my oil life and the mileage I'm at. I was hoping